I'm giving my talk on impact of this COVID-19 on the placement, the most sensitive issue. To begin with, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Suryakant Thorat, working as a director at Shadabun Education Society Institute of Technology and Environment, Nanded since 2001. Prior to which I work at Sri Sant Gajan Maharaj Engineering College, Shegaon from 1986 to 1988, and then 1988 to 2001 I work at Baba Saheb Naik Engineering College, Kusal, and since 2001 I am working as a director. I had been to USA, Canada, UK, Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea, Australia, New Zealand, Dubai, and quite a few countries to deliver the keynote address, to share the sessions, and to present my research paper. I have total 91 research papers in my name, and I am also having 3 books published, and I was also awarded with the Researcher of the Year award by one Hong Kong based web solution which works for the online education. And I had also worked as a Dean of Computer Studies of Swami Ramanathirt Maratha University, and also work on various councils of the Swami Ramanathirt University like Senate, Academic Council, and the Standing Committee as such. And I was also Chairman of Order Board of MC and BC, and presently also working as a Chairman of I'm an associate of MC Institute of Maharashtra, registered body. Now, as far as the impact of COVID-19 is concerned on placement, it's quite obvious that these things have been stopped. We are locked at home. So obviously the economy at its stakes, and if the industry runs, then only placement will be there. It's as simple to understand, but I will touch some important points. Still there is nothing much to worry, because as far as IT goes, information technology goes, the top notch like Infosys, TCS has seems to be assured, or kind of say promises, or kind of news are being there, positive that they will hiring will offer from July or August, or at the most September, in these top-notch companies like Infosys and TCS. So nothing to worry, and for IT people and management student also. For core branch also, in a year or so we'll have the placement, but the fundamental knowledge and skill is utmost required. You see, without the fundamental knowledge and skill, no one will survive, and this is the high time for you people. You guys are back at home, and you can so opt for online learning, and you can enhance your fundamental knowledge, and you can get some skill, so that you can be better placed, and so that your CV and your resume can be more rich in due course of time. So I urge you to use this lockdown period properly. Students, dear students, especially, you use your time properly for enhancing your fundamental, and to opt for knowledge. Especially you must have the communication skill, as such as internationally or nationally you got to communicate in English only. So there is no excuse at all. And even I appeal all the TPOs and all the faculty members and all the principal and directors who are attending this one, that we will have to think about the upcoming changes, that you have to opt for the conventional university courses as well as the online courses. That to be also given free of charge. That is the same fees. You can teach both online and offline, so that students will get the benefit of these online courses and certification in their recruitment as such, and so the knowledge will be enhanced. Students have to increase their potential. It is quite obvious, without potential they won't sustain. The situation is very harsh, so they have to increase their potential, and they have to be more focused on their studies. So to beat this negative things, we have to be more. We got to have some potential. We have to be more studious. A student must work on their basic fundamental, and as well as their communication skill as such. Then only it will be possible to cope up with the situation. Student must work for their basic fundamentals, and communication skill is utmost required. Is a bold underline italic from my side. I hope you will understand. Only some product-based companies will be offering some good packages. Now, don't expect in this situation to the huge packages as such. There will be some product-based companies which will certainly offer the good packages. There may be changes in even working culture I can see it, and even maybe changes in hiring process as well. So be ready for these working culture changes and hiring process changes even in advance. Sectors that could be affected, in my point of view, will be service industry, like aviation industry, transport industry, tourism industry, food industry, and hospital industry. This will be affected. The booming sector will be the education sector, then e-commerce sector, the health sector as such, and good recruitment will be there in these sectors as such. Now, the many large companies, including the technical giants like TCS, Google, Wipro, Capgemini, may honor the job offers, and they will continue whatever they have made the offers through their campus hiring. And even in spite of some revenue problem they may be having, still they will manage this, and I know they will honor the hiring. And I'm sure for this, make it sure that TCS, Google, Wipro, Capgemini will be honoring the jobs offers. Other than technology companies, that is FMCG majors like Godrej, PepsiCo, Biocon, Hindustan Unilever, consulting firms like Boston Consultancy Group, BCG, Bain and Company, then McKinsey, and banks like ICICI, Kotak Mahindra, Citi, Axis banks will be honoring the job. So the picture is quite positive, not too much negative, nothing to worry as such, but opt for the basic knowledge and commission. I'm repeating it again and again so as to endorse it strongly. Cognizant will also bring on board almost 20,000 freshers. It's good news, and in due course of time we will come across it through the newspapers for all. And I have collected this information from Dr. Santosh Borde, and one article, I read one article of Ms. Jaslin Kaur from Shiksha. I thanks both Dr. Santosh Borde and Jaslin Kaur from this Shiksha for these articles and for these helps to make this one successful, my talk successful. Flipkart also assured its employees that it will not slash the salaries and honor all the job offers extended, including the internship as such. A number of global companies with large presence in India have assured employees that there would be no or insignificant layoffs while the lockdown continues. So this is a bit positive news, so don't worry. Flipkart Group CEO Honorable Kalyan Krishnamurthy somewhere said that a crisis is a great time to show your statesmanship, commitment and character. This is the time to contribute to nation's building. We are honoring all the commitments, campus placements, and also looking at the innovative ways of virtual inductions and onboarding. So it's a quite courageous and positive one. Since outbreak of COVID-19, companies have been cancelling the interviews. We expect 60 to 65% interviews getting dropped or delayed as there is a lockdown across the country and people are encouraged to stay at home to curtail the spread of virus by breaking its chain. Bring on board 20,000 freshers. Flipkart have assured its employees that they will not cut their payment now, that I already told you. Sector including banking, financial services and insurance, BFSI, retail, logistic delivery, where a lot of frontline hiring takes placement, likely to witness delay in offers made to the graduates. With countries closing borders internationally and entering into lockdown, recruitment, especially MNCs, are revising for hiring plans and or either revoking offers or delaying the joining as such. As stated by the Business Standard, the Gartner rescinded its financial placement offers as well as those for internship at IIM Calcutta and IIM Ahmedabad. According to the Indian Express, the Schlumberger, the world's largest oil service company, wrote to IITs on April 6 that it had decided to reduce and withdraw some internship and graduate job opportunities in bid to adjust the sudden reduction in customers' spend. The Human Resource Development Ministry has asked the 23 IITs to arrange for the special recruitment drive for those students who may have lost or may lose their job due to the pandemic. This will be tentatively scheduled for August this year, August or September, it depends on the situation. A decline is also seen in general or non-campus hiring, and it would be seen post-COVID-19 pandemic. Companies like Microsoft, it is reported, it sees nearly 46% drop in hiring activities in as companies continue to withdraw their job offers. Several students are posting these things along with their CVs on the LinkedIn about the seeking jobs and as such. Hiring will happen. To conclude, hiring will happen in IT, to in top notch. Core branch students may get job, but they must sharpen their fundamental knowledge and improve the communication skill. Only when business runs, then only recruitment takes place. This sentence I would like to endorse. Only when business runs, then only recruitment takes place. So make a note of it. So student must work on their basic fundamental knowledge and communication skill to fetch good jobs. Students need to adjust themselves in the changing work culture as per the situations. Still, some companies or banking sectors honoring job in the COVID pandemic is a good positive note. Corporates, companies also have to consider this difficult time while withdrawing or delaying the placement offer. With this, I conclude my talk and thanks the organizers of the international conference for having given a chance to talk with you people. Stay healthy, stay fit, take care of yourself, and don't ever try to go out of the home during the lockdown period, and use this period in enhancing your knowledge and skill. Stay home, stay safe, take very good care. Love you all. Bye.